Good afternoon, folks. We are back again at 1:51 p.m. battling for Robert's AFA 75 Warok figure. My favorite Ewok figure. Great accessories. I'm going to copy the list of 50 spots and take it over to random to find our winner. Paste them in there 1 through 50. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 6er. So we're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals. Let's get to it. Mike takes round 1. Josh round 2. Dennis round 3. Matt round 4. Salvador round 5. And our winner is Kenneth Pound. In at number 31. Congrats, Ken. Here's the verification code and official results. LBEBKA. Ken Pound, number 31, is the champion of the AFA 75 Warok. I am done at 152. There it is. Here's the official results one more time. Kenneth Pound in at number 31 is the winner. We'll see you next time, guys. Thank you very much.